you. No one else makes me feel this way.
Hello friends, welcome back to Cora Sue's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me of my dining room. My last video was just a standard clean with me video, but the video before I did a home tour to show you guys all of the work that we've been doing around here and the painting that has been going on. So I'm excited. I've got some new decor pieces and things that I want to put out. I still have a few changes as I'm looking off into the dining room now that I want to make, but I hope today's video motivates you or inspires you to clean or decorate a space in your home. I know that times right now are rough, and I hope and pray you all are doing well. I'm sorry that I missed a video last week. My children are in the process of wrapping up their digital learning days here in Georgia, so it was a little bit crazy around here, but I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I would love for you guys to subscribe and like today's video and leave me a comment down below. I'm also on Instagram and my handle is @Cora Sue's Cozy Castle. You can definitely follow me over there. I update that more frequently so you can get more information or just see our day-to-day life. So I hope and pray you all are well and staying safe and healthy, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys very soon in the next one. Much love. Bye.
Baby, time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end.
So after I've gotten everything nice and clean, I am going to start putting up my decor pieces. There is one piece that my husband had to go ahead and hang, so you won't see that get put up in the video, but you'll see it at the end of the video. It's actually my favorite piece. I just ordered it from Smallwood Home, and it is a wooden sign of the Lord's Prayer, and I absolutely think it is gorgeous in the space. I do want to add things on top of the hutch. I'm looking for a glass vase and some other items to kind of give it a little more of an element up there. And I also want to change out the rug. I think the rug is a little too fancy for the space now, so I'm looking to get like a jute rug, and I think that will really help just complete the space.
That's what my mama said.
Right now I'm trying to display some of the silver that my grandmother had. I shined this up about a week ago and decided to kind of redo the inside of the china cabinet to give it a little more consistency. So that's why I'm kind of trying to figure out where these pieces should go. But I think it turned out really pretty in the end.
Gradually fades away.
I'm using the drill to install some screw-in hooks to hold my wreaths up. I was going to just use like a tape, but I did a little practice run before the video and it didn't work out so well. So I thought this was the best solution.
Mama said, drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete.